Hey guys, we're back for another options update, weekly trade update. And if you didn't notice by the thumbnail, I said goodbye to ARKK. Now we'll go through that a little bit later. I'm fishing for some premium to put on, give you an update on my August plan. If you're with me last week, you knew I was going to take half of my premium and basically deposit it into my bank account and live off of it, partially. So we'll go over that and see how that's going to work out. I don't know, but by the way, a lot of people were asking. I don't know if that's going to work out as planned. We're going to have to just play that by ear, and we'll see how it works out. So hopefully you're along for the ride. So first off, we're going to check out the closes for the week, first week of August. Can't believe we're in August already. Only a few short months left of 2022. It's kind of hard to believe. But let's start off with August 1st. Now, August 1st, we closed out a QQQ put. It was at 280 all the way out to September 2nd. Closed it out for $1.75. Profited $213 there in 11 days. Dutch Bros, I had a 25 put on, closed that out for 35 cents, profited $54 in 19 days. I would like to get back into Bros, but boy, they just keep running. Now we're talking ARKK. ARKK had a run. I had those 754 put contracts out and was able to close those out at $5.90. So I squeezed the profit of $731.59 out of them. I rolled it down to $53 out to September 16th, collected $6.25. And after I did that, I thought about it and I said, I don't trust the run. Now it's continued to run, but I still didn't trust the run. So I said, you know what? It was like 10 minutes later, this position was in profit. So I closed it out for $6 and took the $169.54 in profit there in about 10 minutes. Now overall, I'm still down on ARKK. If you guys have been watching since December when I first entered this position and we kept rolling it. I'm now down approximately 2,500 in that position. I did not reopen it. Okay, I'm just going to walk away from it for now. Like I said, I don't trust the run, so I think it's going to give me another opportunity to get back into it in a safer way. So that's that. At one point, a lot of people probably go, "Oh, $2,500 loss. How could you do that?" Well, honestly, if you with me for a while, at one point I was down almost $11,000 in this position. So being down 2,500 and being closed out of it for now, I'm pretty well pleased with that, to be honest with you. So that's ARKK. Good knowing you. If they keep running up over $50 here, I'll probably never get back into it. But if we get a meaningful dip, I might play with ARKK a little bit. BP, if you were with me last week, you saw I bought a call. That call expired worthless, so full loss, $47.63 there. They did beat earnings. They just didn't, the market didn't react heavy enough to make that call worth it. I mean, there was a time where it was profited like 10%, and I was like, it's going to run, and then it didn't. So I just said, you know what, screw it. Let it roll. And that's it for the closes. Now let's take a look at openings. Now this week there was a lot of I sold a lot of how can I say that? I have sold a lot of contracts, but for not a whole bunch of money and not a lot of big money. It's all a lot of little money. So if we go to August 1st, I sold three things. Sold a Mo covered call. 46 strike out to September 9th, collected $51 on it. Bank of America put out to September 16th, $30 strike, collected $44 there. Bank of America covered call, 36 strike, collected 39 bucks there. And then we go on to Tuesday. Tuesday, I did a TQQQ out to September 16th. 25 strike, collected $111 on it. AT&T did a August 26th expiration at the 18 strike. Collected 25 bucks a piece, did two of them, so 50 bucks on T. Covered call on Carnival Cruise Lines at 12.50, collected 19 bucks there out to September 16th, and also did a 750 put out to the same date for 35 bucks. ABR, you want to talk high yield REIT. This is a lending REIT, finance REIT. Did two puts on this one out to August 19th, 15 strike, right at the money because I won't mind owning them, and got 40 bucks a piece, so 80 bucks for that ABR. And there's that ARKK that I bought and sold at the same day. MPW, I already own a couple hundred shares of MPW. They missed earnings a little bit, I believe, and so I did a at the money at August 19th, 16 strike, collected 35 bucks. Won't mind owning those at all. And then I did a 15 strike out to September 16th, collected 40 bucks on that one. Camping World beat earnings, and on their rise up, I sold a covered call out to September 16th at a 35 strike, collected 60 bucks there. Smith & Wesson went out to September 16th at a 12.50 strike, collected 50 bucks there. Yeti Holdings missed earnings a little bit, went out to September 16th at a 35 strike, collected 55 bucks for it. Camping World went out to September 16th, did the 25 strike put to average down on my position if it ever gets there, collected 80 bucks for it. Smith & Wesson again, I added onto this position, just sold another 12.50, same expiration, collected another 50 bucks there, so 100 bucks total in Smith & Wesson. Foot Locker out to August 19th. Now they have earnings on August 19th. I'm hoping to get out of it before earnings, but I think this is a value, could be a value trap even, honestly. But to me, people are going to buy the shoes. Strike price at 25 bucks, collected $55 for it. And Friday, I've been missing the days here. Friday went to WDC, that's Western Digital, out to September 16th again, 40 strike, collected 51 bucks. Comcast, September 16th again, 35 strike, collected 50 bucks. And then I did a series of SOXL puts on Friday as well, at a 13, 14, and 15 strike, all expiring September 16th, and collected $43, $58, and $79 respectively. Whew, that was a lot of openings for the first week of August, and I honestly, that sounded like a lot, but I have a ton of room to play with. So let's take a look at real quick at premium cooking. So if we look here, week ending August 5th, closed 5 positions, opened 22, profit realized $1,121.56, premium sold $1,123.62, total premium cooking only $1,423.45. Maintenance margin dropped way down to $22,400. Most of that is actually because of all the stock I own. Not a big impact in the put side. Buying power usage all the way down under 20% at 19.44. Cash balance went down to 22,727. That's because I had to close out those ARK positions, and I'm good with that. No deposits, no withdrawals. I told you I was going to start taking money out. I'll explain that in the next section. Netlick up 3,000 for the week, up to 118,200. Getting close because I started the year off with 123.1. We did make a few deposits, but still, I'm happy to see that. Return on maintenance margin of 4%. That's the profit realized divided by the maintenance margin used the previous week, and then return on net lick basically 1%. It's the same variable there. Premium total profit divided by the net liquidation of the previous week. So if you look here, not a whole lot of premium, even though I rattled off all those 22 positions we opened. There's not a lot here. We go out to September 16th, we got $900. But for August, we only got, what is that? $450, something like that. So I'm looking to add more to it. Now let's look at the premium sold by day and we'll wrap this up. Now, premium sold by day, I told you I was going to take 50%. So we took the total of every day, 131 on Monday, 50% of that, and so on and so forth. So we ended up selling a total of $1,123.62. And on the next report, you will see that I withdrew $561.81. And I already put the deposit order, the withdraw, or I should say the transfer order from my account to my savings account. And we're just going to run with it and see how it goes, at least for the month. If I average $500 a week, that's, $2,000 a month in income. I could use that. And because if you looked at last Saturday's video on my passive income and dividend income things, you'll see I have room to use the money, to be honest with you. So that's it. Week coming up. There's not any really big earnings coming up. I know there was Tyson Foods and a couple other things, so I'm not even going to go through it because I'm sure this video has gone on long enough. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.